Data Analytics, Power BI Goodies, Part 1. Excuse me. So table contents. So for this lecture, we will be discussing about sync slicers, custom theme using JSON file, tooltips, hierarchy in BI, and groups in BI. So sync slicers. So Power BI sync slicers synchronize all pages where this filter or slicer have been applied. This new feature added in February 2018 update of Power BI Desktop. So let's start with an example. Suppose you have 15 to 20 pages in your report and you are interested to see results of particular category of products in all pages. So in that case, you have to select the same category one by one in all pages to see the result, and it is time-consuming process. So in that situation, sync slicers help us to synchronize same slicer selected value to all pages where you applied this. So let's get started. So suppose you have 2 pages in your report. See below images. So this is our page. Refer below image. So this is page 1. And then page 2. So we have this one for page 2. So we have here a table where we have actual sales and target sales and KPI. Right here we have the sales and profit. Now enable sync slicers. Follow these steps. So open page 1, go to view, click on sync slicers. After that, select year slicer. After the sync slicer screen appears in the right side as shown below. So this is the sync slicer. Now check the sync for page 1 and 2. So this is for sync. So we have page 1 and 2. This one means that page 1 and 2 are visible. It has following 3 options. Add sync with all the pages. So we can add sync with all the pages. And then, so that's all the pages. Or we can just specify the page here. Visible allows slicer to be visible in selected page. Sync allows slicer to be synced in selected page. So step 4, now select in any year page 1. Page 1. So select any year here in page 1. And then that year will also be automatically selected in the slicer for page 2. So the slicers are now in sync. Now we have custom theme JSON file. So Power BI comes with many varieties of built-in report design themes that you can use in your reports. When you create any report for your organization, it is important to be consistent with your branding standards by using the same color schemes and logos. But when it comes to applying custom color themes, such as your company brand colors, the process is very time-consuming. Using custom theme, you can use your brand colors into Power BI data color list. After that, Power BI picks your selected colors automatically into visualization. So let's get started. So first step is to create a basic JSON file with your brand colors. File format as below. So this is the file format and with extension .json. So again, a data in JSON file is enclosed in open and close curly braces. And then these are the data. So we have the name, or the field name, and then the value, and then again field name, and then that means that this is an array of values. Then again field value, or name, and then value. So that's our example of a JSON file. So Power BI theme has several color options that affect the components of the report. They are the name. This is the name of the theme. So in this case, the name of the theme is Power BI Docs. Then we have foreground color, the color of the text used on the report. So foreground color here, this is the color of the text. Background color, the background color of the tables and buttons used on the report. So background color, so that means that the table and the buttons will have a background of white. Table accent, a highlight color applied to parts of the table and matrix visualization. So table accent, this is table accent. And then data colors, an array of colors used for each series of data on a visualization. For example, a bar chart with 3 series would use the first 3 data colors from the theme. So this is the data colors. Now import JSON file. So click on the View tab, then click on Themes, and then click on Browse for Themes. So after clicking this, you have to select the JSON theme file. So after import theme, so it will change visualization default theme colors with JSON file colors. After import file, you can see all your brand colors under data color properties. So once you click on data color properties, so these are the colors that you have specified. Now next, let's discuss about tooltips in Power BI. Power BI report page tooltips is a very cool feature of Power BI desktop. It helps us to explore our visuals deeper, and it is very easy to use. Tooltips appear when the cursor is hovering over a visual. So let's get started. So for this example, we have to use the global superstore dataset, which can be downloaded in the link I have provided for this video. Now create 2 separate pages, one main page and second for tooltips. So we have the category sales page. So this is our first page. Add one clustered column chart. So this is the clustered column chart. For the axis, we use the region. So axis region, that's why we have here the regions. And then for the value, we use sales. So these are now the value for sales. Then create a second page for tooltip. Enable and set the page size for tooltip. So click anywhere. So we have second page. So click anywhere on the blank page, then go to format section. So this is the format section. Go to page information, then enable tooltip. So then click on page size and select page size type tooltip. By default, it is 16.9. Then go to view menu tab, view, and then under page view, select actual size. So these are the things that we have selected here. After that, add some visuals in tooltip page, which you want to display as in tooltip. So in this case, he added a card and a bar chart. So bar chart showing the sales by category. Now enable tooltip for category sales page. So go to format section. So we go on the first page, go to format section, enable tooltip, and then select tooltip. Now mouse over any bar. So we mouse over any bar here on the clustered column chart, and you will see the tooltip. So this is now the tooltip. So once we move the mouse, this will actually be displayed. So next, let's create hierarchy in Power BI. In Power BI Desktop, you can create your own hierarchies. It provides drill down action to the BI report. When a visual has a hierarchy, it enables the ability to drill down for additional relevant details. For example, you might have a visualization that shows the region hierarchy with sales, and you want to drill down on a specific product category that is underperforming. So in this example, we create a hierarchy. So hierarchy levels for data, we have region, product category, and product subcategory. Right click on region field and then select new hierarchy. Then step 3, region hierarchy is created. Now add product category and product subcategory under region hierarchy. So we added product category and product subcategory. So how to do this? We just right click on product category field and then click on add to hierarchy, then select region hierarchy. We do the same thing with product subcategory. We right click product subcategory and then click on add to hierarchy, then we select region hierarchy. So the two fields now will be added to the hierarchy. So now we create a visual using the hierarchy. So drag a pie chart, Power BI page, drag hierarchy to legend. So to legend, we drag the hierarchy and then we drag sales to values. Okay, so region hierarchy, sales to values. So we have the pie chart. Enable drill down on the pie chart. So hover the pie chart. So once you hover the pie chart, 4 icons appear like below image. Now the first icon, it is used to drill up the data one step back. Second icon is used to enable drill down mode. Then the third icon display the next level hierarchy. And then the fourth icon, it is used to expand all hierarchy. So for enable drill down mode, click on the second icon, the drill down icon. Now click on the pie at any point. Now it will drill down and display to your product category under East region. So you notice that product category is next under our hierarchy. So initially what is shown here are the sales by region. So let's say for example with this enabled, let's say we are in a drill mode on. Once we click on this, it will show now the pie chart of product category for that particular region. It is actually the East region. So it will drill down. Then the same, if you click again on this, it will now show the product subcategory for that particular region. Now using drill up icon, you can go back step by step. So in the same way, you can use next level hierarchy. So icon number 3 and expand all hierarchy on icon number 4. Now creating a group in Power BI. As the name suggested, Power BI group feature is used to merge or combine 2 or more visuals values together. It helps you while you want to see 2 or more visuals values together and want to analyze that data with other visual values. So for this example, we're going to use the Superstore US 2015 worksheet. Without group, this is how our visual will look like. So as you can see, we have 3 separate product categories. So one for technology, one for furniture, and one for office supplies. So we have created this by dragging legend. So this will be the legend under product category and the values will be the sales. So these are the sales for each of the product category. Now follow these steps in order to create a group. So now create a group to merge technology and furniture together. So what we're going to do is we right click on product category and then once we right click, we click on new group. Then this dialog box will appear. So select furniture and technology by using control click. So we use control click to select both and then click on the group button. So once you click on the group button, the 2 selected fields will be placed here and we can now give a name to the group. So you can change the group name. So in this case, the group name is furniture and technology. And then we just click the OK button. So group created successfully. Now select the pie chart and drag new group field. So we have product category, we have groups. To legend, so we drag this one to legend, and then sales to values. So this time around it will show only two categories here because we have group, furniture and technology. Now we can also modify the group. So how do we modify the group? Right click on the group, then select edit groups. We can undo the previous group and members and make new group members. So now let's make the new group members and ungroup the previous group members. So select group member, then click on ungroup button. Then follow the same process using control plus click, select technology and office. So we'll be grouping technology and office now, and then click to group button. So just like what we have done on the previous example. So this time what is group will be office and office supplies and technology, and this one is for furniture. Okay, so that ends this lecture for Power BI goodies, and we will have the second part on the next video. Thank you very much for viewing.